This is for men's novice no-gi light heavyweight division. That's 190 to 200 pounds. And the winners are third place, City Boxing, Alberto Palencia. In second place, from Machado, Las Vegas, Christopher Rainey. And in first place, from Unbreakable, Jared Hammond.
Let's go, Conor! Now the party, flight 301 out of Las Vegas. Suck him back in the mat. Get the leg out. Take him down, Conor. Beautiful. Control. Stay on top.
I need maintenance to report to the announcing area. Maintenance, please report to the announcing area. Francisco DiMartino, Chad Fisick, Keith McCauley, please report to the awards area.
You got it, Dave. You look good.
Back to the middle. Yeah. Back to the balcony.
What are you doing?
You guys doing a little something tonight or what?
I need men's intermediate no-gi cruiserweight. Please report to ring number 1. Men's intermediate no-gi cruiserweight. Request at 180 to 190. Please report to ring number 1. I also need men's advanced no-gi middleweight. 170 to 180. Men's advanced no-gi middleweight. Please also report to ring number 1. That's ring number 1.
Yeah, I need Frank
Frank Theophanopoulos, ring number 4.
Francisco DiMartino, Chad Fisick, Keith McCauley, please report to the awards area. Chris Downham, Jamie Fletcher, Anthony DeValle, please report to the awards area.
Come on, Conor! Let's go!
Oh, yeah?
Conor, you're going to win that advantage. You have your shot on you. Don't worry about it. You're not have to shoot. One more shot for sure. One more shot, Conor. You're going to win the advantage, brother. This is shot 1. Yeah, but give him one more, Conor. Just one more for
Nah, I was probably up so far. Once I got back to the room.
Head position.
We haven't gone down at all yet.
Keep going, Conor. One more burst.
How much time?
He can't take you down.
So yeah, I just laid on this. We're in the casino for about an hour. We're in the casino for about an hour. It's like 9:30 or so.
Chad Fisick, Keith McCauley, please report to the awards area. Jeff O'Neill, David Weber, please report to the awards area.
Yeah, I was on the computer a little bit, looking for everything tomorrow, directions, and then I got up early.
Now he's going to try to shoot, Conor. Now he's going to. He knows he's behind. Watch his shot.
Oh, it's a
You shoot. Make him defend.
David Weber, report to the awards area, please.
I got up and found iron.
Beautiful, Conor.
delirious.